my name is Emerson at Alien Attorney, and we're just making a quick video to go over the next step in your fiancé visa application. So it's been approved, which is great, and now we need to start preparing the paperwork for the next portion of the application. So as part of this, the petitioner, you need to prepare an I-134 declaration of financial support. So go ahead and Google I-134 USCIS and click on this first link here. And this will bring you to the USCIS page. And if you scroll down under Forms and Document Downloads, just click on Form I-134. So you need to complete this form regarding your current income. This is going to be for another individual who is the beneficiary. You can go ahead and fill in their name, date of birth, gender, place of birth, and their current marital status. If they've never been married, go ahead and select single, never married. Fill out their current mailing address and physical address if different from the mailing address. And then for the selected period of stay, go ahead and select a time about a month in the future. So it would be, and then there's no end date because they are staying here. Go ahead and enter in their full name, date of birth, and relationship would be the beneficiary. If they currently earn an income, go ahead and enter in their current income. This box doesn't work, we'll edit it later for you. Does any of their income come from illegal activities? Let's go ahead and select no. We can go ahead and leave their assets blank unless they have very significant assets that you want to include. Now we get to the part about you, the person agreeing to financially support the beneficiary. So go ahead and put in your name, your current mailing address. If your mailing address is different from your physical address, then you would select no and put in your physical address here. Enter in your date of birth, your place of birth, an A number or USCIS number if you have one, and then your current immigration status, most likely U.S. citizen. If you're employed, go ahead and select employed full-time. Go ahead and these fields don't work on the PDF form, but you can provide this information to us as well as your employer's address. And then this is the important part. We want you to put in your full name, your date of birth, your relationship is yourself, and then what your current annual income is. So this income as the sponsor or the person agreeing to financially support the beneficiary does need to be 100% of the poverty guidelines, which for a household of two is somewhere around $25,000 a year, depending on the year. So just check with us if you have any doubts about your income or if you don't have any income, and we can kind of go over what alternatives exist for you. Go ahead and select no. None of your income comes from illegal gambling. If you've ever submitted an I-130 for anybody else, go ahead and fill out this information here. If no, just select no. Under this portion here, just select I do not intend to make specific contributions to the beneficiary. This portion is going to be blank because it is the portion for the beneficiary to sign, so we go ahead and leave that blank. Scroll down to Part 5, Statement of the Individual Agreeing to Financially Support the Beneficiary. Select I can read and understand English. Go ahead and fill out your contact information here. And then scrolling down on page 10, under Signature of Individual Agreeing to financially support the beneficiary, this is going to be your signature and the date signed. So immigration is requiring wet signed paperwork, so that means you just need to print out page 10 and sign that in ink, date it in ink, and send us back a clear copy of just this page. We'll get the rest of the form from you digitally. So go ahead and just print out page 10 and sign. The rest of the form can just be left blank. Go ahead and send us the rest of the form and we can go ahead and edit it, make sure everything looks good, as well as get the required documentation from you. So that's really all we need for this part of the application process. As always, please feel free to let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.